right, so this is the September box from Tea Surprise, which arrived in the same envelope as my former one because they somehow missed shipping out my August box. The boxes look identical. There's nothing on them to differentiate at all, so I'm hoping it's a different box.
It's me threatening Tea Surprise if it's not. If they're watching.
Oh no.
Oh no, it's different.
It's
Okay.
very different.
I rescind my throat cutting gesture. And that's nice. You can put it in your cup as a
That's hilarious.
right. That's what it's for.
Here,
Okay.
take that.
Oh yay! It's in French again.
Of course it's in French.
All right.
All right. What's this?
It's in French.
Oh, it's a mixer.
Yeah.
It's a mixer in the form of a palm tree. Something about dreaming about your next vacation in the sun, under the sun.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So that is our surprise.
Yeah.
Is piece of plastic. Nice.
Hilarious.
Nice.
All right, and our. That's hilarious. Okay,
What?
our candy is maple syrup sugar.
Okay. Sugar packets. Nice. These guys really care about you, you know? They
But it's
give
maple. It's maple
Yeah,
sugar.
Yeah, so it's themed. So we got a couple of sugar packets and this piece of plastic.
That's our surprise.
Oh, I'm surprised. Can I see one? Oh, I can see them both. Okay, yeah, these, I mean, wow. Sugar packets.
But it's maple. It's very.
I know it's
Quebecois.
maple. It's Quebecois sugar.
Oh, I love the Quebecois.
All right, so we got some Rooibos.
No, I'm starting with orange creamsicle.
Rooibos.
Is it?
Look at it right there. Rooibos.
I was looking at Chai and orange creamsicle.
You
Okay,
had
it is Rooibos.
Yep.
So it's from South Africa.
Ooh.
So this mix of Rooibos, blood orange, vanilla, and hibiscus reminds us of the best popsicles.
Orange creamsicles.
I guess so. Caffeine and sugar-free, therefore without calories, stands to reason. Its infusion will surely know how to awaken your inner child.
Spirit.
From Chai!
From Cha Yi.
Cool.
Cool.
To be enjoyed all the day.
Toute la journée.
All the day, wow. Okay, here's another one from Now. Palate sweetness. I think they meant palace because in in French is plaisir du palais, which would be
Pleasure.
palace of
Yeah,
pleasure.
Yeah.
I don't know how it became palate sweetness, but
Yeah.
I like it.
Palate sweetness. It's a
Yeah.
green tea.
It's a green tea.
It's for fin de journée.
So the end of day.
The end of day. Fin. Fins are at the end of fish.
That's not how you pronounce it.
Oh, fin. Fin, right? Fin.
Fun.
Fin. I don't know.
I don't know. Don't judge our French.
Judge it all you want.
I know we're Canadian,
Judge
but
my French all you want.
yeah, he's got Quebecois roots, so.
Yeah, no excuse.
Yeah. Wow, it's hard translating French with my brain.
It's a delicate melange perfume. It's composed
Melange is
of
mixed,
oh
scented with it's,
gunpowder. No, seriously, de gunpowder.
It does say gunpowder. Okay, so it has a base of sencha tea, which I don't know what that is. Gunpowder, white tea, but pai mutan, and genmeisha, with the taste of sugary rice that's been cooked
Yeah.
Um,
Jasmine.
yeah. Pearls.
Liqueur.
Pearls of jasmine.
Strawberry.
Under your eyes.
Apricots.
Yeah. And
Gunpowder.
strawberries.
Yeah, gunpowder though. That's weird.
Interesting.
It's not like anything?
Maybe that's just like a weird French thing. No, these ones are too well packaged. Can't smell anything.
Okay.
Did we smell orange creamsicle?
No.
Also can't smell it.
Mm-mm.
Okay. This one is called Assam.
Black tea.
Yeah. Looks like it's from India. Cool. Just organic black tea. From the Assam region of India. Very cool. It's also from Zio.
Zio.
And then we have a bunch of not loose leaf teas.
Oh.
Who's it from? Wittard.
Wittard, Chelsea.
Golden chamomile.
Nice.
So it must be from England?
Yeah. It's an infusion tea.
With chamomile
Cool.
flowers.
Nice. I like
Makes sense.
chamomile.
Yeah. You know, it's a weed. I planted it one year and now it's everywhere. Everywhere it's not supposed to be, and it's toxic to horses, so.
Great.
Yeah. At least they leave it alone.
All right, so this is a real winner. Wow. But the teas I'm very excited
We
about.
have so many teas.
We have a lot of tea.
We still
and-
have to.
And I made tea about 20 minutes ago. And I made Red Rose bagged tea. Even though we have
Cheap.
all this
We
tea.
have a lot of tea.
That I didn't make.
Shame,
I made
Tony.
the Red Rose tea. Yeah. Thanks for watching.
All right. Tea surprise.
Tea surprise.